Hey there, I'm Eden. I'm here working with LUVV Labs to review some of the products that they've sent me. At this point, I have been using their products for, I think, months now. I absolutely love them, so I'm really excited to do this for them. So we are going to be taking a look at their particular LUVV Air Inhaler in flavor Glow for rejuvenation. So this one is in flavor peppermint and citrus, and I think out of their entire line, this one and Rise are my two favorites. So in each disposable inhaler, there are 45 to 50 servings, and I would say that these last me a pretty good amount of time. Excuse the totally visible tripod, but I really did just want to unbox this for you guys and show you how cute the packaging is. So here is the front of it. On the back, you see the ingredients and the directions. And on the side, it makes it very clear that this has no nicotine, no THC, GMO-free, vegan, oil-free, water-soluble, and so it's not gonna coat your lungs with that kind of like tar liquid that you get in a lot of like Nic vapes and stuff like that. These are just great for anyone who wants to wean themselves off of any type of nicotine product they're addicted to. But as you can see, it is like very nicely packaged, very sanitary. Absolutely love their new packaging. So prior to recently, all of their vapes used to just be black, but now they have this really cute color for every different flavor. So the branding is absolutely gorgeous. But once again, here is the product, and when you do inhale from it, there's a little light here that will light up. And when it is like out of product inside, it will blink, and that's how you know that it is time to use another one. So this one in particular, when it comes to taste, it just tastes super refreshing. It's very minty, so it kind of wakes you up. Unlike a lot of other vape products, these inhalers do not make you cough or have that like weird coating and film in your mouth or in your throat, because these are water-soluble ingredients. So additionally, these inhalers, the battery inside gently warms up the product to create that vapor, unlike a lot of other vape products where it just is a lot stronger of a battery and it actually burns the products. So it's just a much more healthy, more gentle alternative. And you also don't have to worry about getting like addicted to it. The only thing that might be considered addictive is just the taste, because it tastes really great. And it's also just really fun. And it's great to pull out at social events. I do it all the time. And a lot of times my friends are always curious as to what it is. And when they find out that it's Nic-free, they're always interested, because a lot of people, especially in college towns, are trying to get off of Nic. So this is a great alternative for that. If you are interested in checking out their products, make sure to go to LUVV Labs Instagram, social medias, anything, their website. They're very affordable. So I highly recommend, once again, this was the LUVV Air Inhaler in flavor Glow.